With the development of the new energy industry, the market demands for microswitches continues to increase. We have developed a new G304G series subminiature waterproof microswitch. G304G series switch adopts light type structure, which is small compact size. It has long service life and high reliability, and also with a variety of mounting dimensions and terminal types to meet the needs of customers. The switch housing described below use a low-pressure injection molding process to make the waterproof performance more reliable. And the switch manufacturing process is more stable. It is mainly used in automotive control, bicycle lock control, industrial control, and has achieved significant achievements, such as mobile locks, new energy car charging guns, and so on.